Hi, I'm Renee Oswald, and I'm making a baked falafel today. Start off with an onion, chopped up finely. All right, and now I'm going to put the beans on the bottom. This is 2 cans of garbanzo beans, or you can make your own beans. Little lemon juice, little almond flour, 1 date, little cumin. You can use fresh cumin, unground or ground. Little sunflower seeds, some cashews, and some sesame seeds, little tahini, and little turmeric, a couple garlic cloves, and a little salt. Whip that up. We'll put the onions in last so they don't get ground up too small. And that is it. Transfer that to a bowl. That's the batter. And that's falafel. And just stir that together. Make sure everything's well chopped, and it is. So then you just take dollops of it and put it on your cookie sheet. And I've lined that with some parchment, reusable parchment paper. Just take some. That's it. Put this in the oven and bake it at 350 for about 20 minutes. And then you can put a nice lemon tahini sauce over it. Makes it delicious. And for more recipes like this, check out our website and our social media channels and subscribe to our YouTube channel.